The Planning for Zero Waste Operations prerequisite focuses on decarbonization and ecological conservation and restoration. The intent of the prerequisite is to reduce the amount of waste that is generated by building occupants and hauled to and disposed of in landfills and incinerators through reduction, reuse, and recycling services and education, and to conserve natural resources for future generations. To set the building up for success in pursuing zero-waste operations. Project teams must provide dedicated areas accessible to waste haulers, janitorial staff, and building occupants for the collection and storage of recyclable materials for the entire building. Collection and storage areas may be separate locations. Recyclable materials must include organic/food waste, mixed paper, corrugated cardboard, glass, plastics, and metals. Mixed recyclables are acceptable for paper, corrugated cardboard, glass, plastics, and metals if required by local conditions. Space for the storage of organics and food waste recycling is required even if service is not available at the time of building occupancy. Take appropriate measures for the safe collection, storage, and disposal of batteries, mercury-containing lamps, and electronic waste. Include design details, maintenance manuals, and or other resources from the design and construction team that help facilitate building occupants and operators to meet high-performance waste prevention and recycling goals once in operation. Good luck on your next project!